Is Windows failing to load because of the Gethelp module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before diving into the manual fix for Gethelp module, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Gethelp module, a native Windows library that provides the API hooks for the modern Gethelp application and localized troubleshooting wizards. It coordinates the data link between the OS and Microsoft's online support manifests. If missing, clicking Help, links in Windows settings will do nothing, and the system troubleshooting app will crash on launch. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Because Gethelp module DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check, open command prompt with administrative rights, and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Gethelp module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. A quick safety warning: never download files like Gethelp module DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Gethelp module references. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Gethelp module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.